free Martin Luther King Day celebration. If you don't know, United Columbus Academy, or UCA, is the board of affinity group leaders and student council representatives in the upper school.
And today, we're so lucky to have Dr. Carlotta Penn as our speaker.
Dr. Carlotta Penn is from Columbus, Ohio. She grew up with her mom, dad, older brother, and younger sister.
Carlotta is a writer and the author of 4 picture books. She's also been the lead singer in a band and always makes time to be part of the things happening in her community.
I'm so happy to be here with you all this morning as we celebrate and honor the life and legacy of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. So thank you for having me. Thank you for inviting me, and Yasa and Ceci, thank you for helping me out this morning. Dr. King said that in order to love others, we must first love ourselves. So repeat after me. In order to love others, we must first love ourselves. He believed that love as the foundation can give us the courage to take actions that change the world. And he wanted the world to be a better place for his children, for other Black children and families, and really for everyone in the world. Right? That was his mission. He once said that he believed, this was in one of his speeches, he believed that people everywhere can have 3 meals a day for their bodies, education and culture for their minds, and dignity, equality, and freedom for their spirit. So why do you think it's important to celebrate the life of Dr. King?
I think it's important because, Dr. King was a special person, and he was trying to raise awareness for young African American kids, and for civil rights, for people to have jobs, and the Rosa Parks thing, so people can sing the song on buses and stuff like that.
I think it's important to celebrate the life of Dr. King because not only did he do amazing things for his community, but he also helped push the act for equality for all people, for jobs, voting, and a lot of other important things.
Let's do one more right now. One more thing. See what we get for the third one.
To be kind to others.
This picture is really important, and I wanted to show this so that we can understand that Dr. King sacrificed his future for our own, right? He did that so that, in hopes that our society could be a more loving and a more equal and free place for everyone. And this is a fight that we're still fighting today, right? So I believe that that's why Dr. King is the most deserving of our honor and our celebration. All of these photos and all of these instances, Dr. King is speaking up and taking action based on his belief in love, equality, and freedom. Right? He's speaking up and taking action based on his belief in love, equality, and freedom. And another way that I describe that is Dr. King is lifting his voice. That's why the name of my presentation was Lift Your Voice, what I learned from Dr. King. Dr. King believed that we must love ourselves, and we talked about that. But he believed that in order to love yourself, you have to accept yourself, right? All of who you are. In order to love yourself, you have to accept yourself, all of who you are. And you have to learn and become the best at your own talent. Not trying to do what someone else can do, but doing what you do and being the best at that. So you have to learn and become the best at your own talents. Not trying to do what someone else can do, but doing what you can do and being the best at it. It's okay to be afraid, but you're beautiful and brave. You can do the scary things. Lift up your sweet voice and sing. Thank you. Happy birthday, Dr. King. Let's say that again. Happy birthday, Dr. King.
I'm choosing to say yes to love. Let me hear a yes.
Yes.
I'm choosing to say yes to joy. Say yes.
Yes.
I am choosing yes for compassion. Say yes.
Yes.
And I'm choosing my yes to be a responsible citizen of our community. Say yes.
Yes.
Thank you, Dr. Penn, for really imparting some words of wisdom. Right now, I would love to call up Ms. Arnold and the lower school student representatives, Aina and Anish. We will be presenting every lower school classroom with a book written by Dr. Penn, and your teacher will likely be reading that to you very soon. So give it up for Dr. Penn again.